Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video we're gonna take a look at math function in Python. You see, for example, let me just type. Then when I hover my mouse round, you see it shows that. Now what does this round mean? Round mean you should round a decimal number into a whole number. Like for example, I'll just put here random. Let me just type 3.99, then I press run. You see it rounded up to 4, and there's another one again. Let me just, we have here print ABS. So when you hover your mouse, ABS is it's a such a function whereby it is used. It's just a math function in Python where it is used to round up a number. If it is negative number, it will make it to positive. So for example, let me just put and when I run, you see it round it to, this is it round it to negative number. So sorry, round it to positive number. So ABS is used to always change a negative number to a positive number, while round is always used to round up a decimal number to a whole number. For more of this, you can check it out here from a Python mathematical function. So they are here so many. Just go there, you type math function in Python. This is it. You just click, so you can try to go through some of this and take a look and absorb more by yourself for better understanding. Remember, coding is all about practice. It's not about only watching video. You can watch video for 30 years without typing by using the keyboard. You're never gonna do anything. So that's the main thing in programming. You must learn by coding, by doing. So thank you guys. Love and share this video. And if you have any thought concerning a math function in Python, please don't forget to leave your comment down below. And if you have not subscribed or you are new here, please hit the subscribe button for more video on programming, like Flutter, widget of the week, and Python and JavaScript. Until then guys, see you.